Hello everybody, my name is GivenToe. Welcome back to episode 2 of YouTube School for Beginners. I want to thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. This is a help video. I'm going to go through all the necessary steps that you need to take in order to create a YouTube channel and get it going. In the last episode was basically just a presentation of what is about to come on this channel when it comes to this part. Usually I do gaming videos and reaction videos. That's kind of what I do in here, but I wanted to make this episodical series for you guys because I know that it's very hard being a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber, whatever you want to call it. The struggle is definitely real. I'm fully aware of that. It is for me too. But I've been doing this for a very long time now, which means that I've picked up a lot of stuff on the way that I've learned, and I want to share that with you guys. So if you feel that you're absolutely new to YouTube, you have no idea what you're gonna do or how you're gonna do it, what practical stuff you need to get going, the physical stuff or everything like that, softwares, we're gonna go through it episode by episode to make it as easy for you as possible. So I really need your attention in this video, okay? Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one very important step. We are going to create a YouTube account. How do you do that? Where do you start? How easy is it to do this? I'm gonna show you this right now. So if you like this kind of content and if you think that this content can be helpful to you, you should consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like afterwards. That would be very helpful to me. And I will also go through in the future episodes what likes do and YouTube algorithm and stuff like that, how everything works. But we're gonna take it step by step. So tag along. Okay, so basically the first thing you do is that you open up your browser and you go to Google. On the top right corner, if you don't have a Google account, just create a new Google account. Create account. Now this is in Swedish for me. It's probably gonna be in English for you, but all of the buttons are in the same place. So I'm gonna read it up to you in English as well. Create account. For me, the top one. Your first name, we're gonna do a tutorial for this one. You're gonna say GivenToe tutorial. GivenToe tutorial at gmail.com. That's gonna be our email address. Set a password, then click next. Add your phone number and add a reset email address if you want to. I recommend you do it because if you forget your password or if something happens, if you get hacked or whatever, it could be good to have a backup email address. So put it over here. Date of birth. Next. Choose the settings. This is the quick one and this is the manual one. Go with the quick one. It's just one step. You can do everything else later. Click next. Now, confirm. Confirm. There we go. We created a tutorial account. GivenToe tutorial, we are also logged in, which means if you go to YouTube, I just click log in, choose the account that you just created. Voila, you basically just created a YouTube channel. Now there's no content on this YouTube channel yet. If you click your icon here it says create a channel on the top. Click that. The name of the channel, I'm gonna name mine GivenToe YouTube School. This is a very important part. Only choose a name that you want to stick with. You don't want to go around changing your name all over the place. Because when people learn who you are, and when you gain subscribers, they're never gonna find you to change your name. I changed my name once, and that was before I reached 100 subscribers. So that was okay, that was fine. I made it anyway. But think carefully what you want your channel name to be. Not just a name. It could reflect the content on your channel. It should be relatively short so that it's easy for people to remember. It should be unique. Don't go choose a name or a word that is extremely wide, because you're going to fall out of the search system. Unique name, short name, stick with it. Then you choose your name. Now remember, this is just for fun. Then you can upload a picture. I'm going to go with this one. YouTube School for Beginners. I want to make it a little bit smaller. Now what is within the circle is what is going to be shown on the actual picture. Done. And create channel. So if you follow these exact steps, you will be able to create your own YouTube channel. Now what this says, as you can see, it's all in Swedish, but I'm going to translate everything for you. This says GivenToe's YouTube School. That is your channel name. Here it says no subscribers, because we don't have any subscribers yet. And this is what it's going to look like on your homepage for the first time that you log in, because you haven't uploaded any videos yet. So this is an empty channel, but it is an existing channel. Here's the video section where your videos will be shown in chronological order of upload. Here's the playlists. If you can create your own playlist if you would like to do that. Here's your channels tab. This basically is if there's a specific channel that you want to market on this channel, you can put that channel name over here. Perhaps if you have 2 YouTube channels. This is the discussions tab, which basically means that people that visit your channel can comment on everyday things about the channel over here, or have their discussions, and you can have a discussion with them, etc., etc. So it's not bound to a specific video. And here is the About tab. Statistics, when you joined, when the channel was made, etc., etc. So don't worry if everything here is completely empty, then that is 100% normal. That's the way it is supposed to be. Now, you've taken your first step into YouTube and you've actually created your channel. I hope that was easy enough for you to understand. I know that all the text that you can see in this video is in Swedish. It's because I'm from Sweden. But I translated everything for you. And when you will do this yourself and everything is in English, all the tabs and the buttons will be in the same place as I displayed in the video. So just listen to what I'm saying. This is the first step, guys. If you do this, you have actually created a YouTube channel. The next step is to fill this YouTube channel up with actual content, but we're gonna get to that later. What we are also going to do is obviously we're gonna fix the settings on your channel. Don't worry about not having a proper profile picture on your YouTube channel, because logos and stuff like that, you can always fix that later. What we're gonna concentrate on now is to set up the channel and get it started. And that's what you just did. So the next thing will be settings on the channel, search words. There's a lot of stuff that you can do in the settings part of your channel, but we're gonna get to that later. Because the next thing you're gonna do is get your equipment for actually creating videos. Because it's 100% pointless to just upload videos that you have on your computer. If you don't have any equipment at all to record with, then you're kind of stuck. In the last episode, we talked about having an idea for what kind of YouTube content you want to create, whether it be cooking, gaming, reactions, comedy. It doesn't really matter the topic, but stick to that topic. Write down your ideas on a piece of paper if you want to do that, or in an app, or wherever you want it. Just go brainstorm with different kinds of videos and topics. And choose the one that you really feel like, I really want to do this one. I really believe in this one. And then you do that. But that's for a future episode, guys. You've created your first YouTube channel. You just took the biggest step of all. Congratulations. You are now one of us. Now don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, for the love of God, don't forget to activate the bell when you subscribe in the top right corner, because if you don't activate the bell, you will not get a reminder when I release the next episode of this series. So activate the bell and you will be reminded so that you can watch it whenever you got the time. and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye now.